Hi, my name is Brian Guzzi. I'm the General Manager of Porsche Barrington. I'd like to take a couple moments to tell you about some of the exclusive options on this 2022 911 C4S Cabriolet. Starting off, this features the Sport Design Package in high gloss black. You see the front area is highlighted here in high gloss black, as well as the side skirts, the lower mirror, and the rear diffuser. This car also features the exclusive design taillights, which are clear, as well as the clear brake light. The high gloss rear diffuser, also part of the Sport Design Package in black. And the sport exhaust tips in chrome. This car also features the staggered 21-inch rear, 20-inch front Sport Design wheels in high gloss black, as well as the exclusive design gas cap. Entering the cabin, you see we have the Porsche puddle lights projected on the ground when the doors open, and also the door sill guards illuminated with brushed dark silver. This car also features the exclusive design leather package, which gives you full leather doors, leather dash, deviated stitching, crests on the headrest, as well as the exclusive manufacturer embossed insignia on the center console. This car features one of my favorite items, the Sport Design tachometer in white. I think it really sets off the tach nicely with the light interior. The other feature I like is the seat spines in aluminum to match the trim. One of my favorite things about Porsche is how customizable the car is. These are just a few of the items you can do to make the car very unique to your own specific taste. There's also a custom Porsche timepiece that is available, done in the leather and colors of this particular car. It's a fine watch made in Switzerland with perpetual motion, self-winding mechanism. Thank you for taking time to look at this beautiful car and all the exclusive features. If you'd like to see what we can do for you, please contact me at the number below. Once again, my name is Brian Guzzi and I'm the General Manager at Porsche Barrington.